Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima and you're trying to find where the fuse for the TPMS sensor is located. For this is the tire pressure monitor system guys. You may have actually two fuses that control that. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover each one of them and we'll explain how to test the fuse, which is super important as well. Make sure to stay until the end. These guys should work on Kia Optima guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the foot where we can see that fuse box, okay, right here, remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So if you look at it guys, okay, we took a picture of that fuse box. We showed you where it's located. Practically impossible for us to stick the camera light at the same time and show you with a great detail which fuse it is. But now we're going to explain everything guys in a great detail. This is the back side of the fuse cover. Okay, you can see you have all the fuse boxes of fuses actually numbered and labeled. But some of them don't mean anything guys. For instance, the fuse that we need, it's known as module number 4. This is guys, if you come to the 4th row, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you come down to 1, 2, 3, this fuse, that 7.5 amp fuse, that's the one that needs to be checked guys. This is for the okay, this is for the TPMS. Also, you have another fuse. If you come down, okay, you see that fuse right here is known as room LP. This is the second fuse, okay, on the right side. Okay, right here, that's the fuse on the right side. Second fuse from left to right. How you remove that thing? You grab the yellow thing, push in and pull out. Then you'll be able to replace, the two fuses will come out. You replace that fuse and you need to push it back in. Not very complicated guys. Now, if you need to test the fuse, we have a special video that explains how to test it in just a few seconds. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. Also, if you guys need to replace the fuses, okay, you can use the fuse puller which is located right here for the inside fuse box and get them out as well. If you need to buy replacement fuses, we'll put the link where you can get fuses for a really good price, okay, in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.